One of Hawaii's most prominent businessmen was acquitted today of sex assault charges. The jury found Jack Law not guilty in less than an hour. Prosecutors say a judge ruling hurt their case because they weren't allowed to say that the victim may have been subdued by a common sleeping pill. KITV's Daryl Huff has the story.
All over already.
Even people who believed in Jack Law's innocence were stunned by the speed of the not guilty verdict.
My biggest concern was gay bias against me, and there was none. I think the jury was quick and fair.
The jury's incredibly swift verdict underscores the fact that there was zilch and that they had no evidence whatsoever to tarnish a fine and decent man.
And I've had to hold this in for a whole year. Plus, I have had to keep it from my parents. Because they're old, you know, they're old. I don't want them to worry. I do.
Law was accused of drugging a male acquaintance to subdue him for sex. The alleged victim, who says he is not gay, picketed Law's nightclubs to encourage prosecution. He also had a history of mental illness.
And I think for most jurors, that's kind of difficult to assess credibility of someone that they have a hard time relating to.
But the prosecutor says what really hurt the case was Judge Richard Perkins' decision not to let in evidence that Law had access to substantial amounts of Ambien, a common sleeping pill.
And so that evidence, I think, would have been very powerful evidence for the jury to see that he, in fact, had access to a drug that would have caused those symptoms.
But the prosecutor has no way to appeal the decision about Ambien. That's because Jack Law was acquitted, and the Constitution does not allow a second trial, so he's free to go.
I'm not sure what I'm going to do now, except I'm going to relax. I think I deserve a little bit of relaxation.
Reporting from Circuit Court, Daryl Huff, KITV4 Island Television News.